Hey YouTube! In this video I'm going to show you how to, or what is macOS's version of Task Manager from Windows and how to open it. Alright, there's two ways to open it. You can open Spotlight Search and type in Activity Monitor and it'll pop up. Or you can go to Finder, Applications, go down to Utilities, and Activity Monitor. It's the first one. Alright, so why would you want to open Activity Monitor? Well, just like in Windows, sometimes a process might be taking up too much of your processor, too much of your RAM, alright, whatever. So, Activity Monitor allows you to kill these applications just like Windows does. So you can click on the little X, you can, well, kill it, just like in Windows. I think Windows is a little more powerful because as soon as you kill it, it's dead. Doesn't work anymore. It's just shut off. But on macOS it takes a little bit for it to actually turn it off. And, fun fact, Activity Monitor is one of the apps that if you click the little red icon, it does not close all the way. So you'll want to quit it. Alright, that is macOS X's version of Task Manager. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.